everybody, it's Tiffany Miller with Miller's Mad Creations, and today I wanted to show you how easy it is to install fonts on your iPad. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your favorite font website, and there's quite a few out there. I'm just going to go to the one I have pulled up, and you're going to go find your downloads where you've purchased your fonts, and then we're going to download and as you can see, our font is downloaded right here. You can double tap to uncompress the folder, or you can also long press and hit uncompress. And then you're just going to find the font that you want to download, and we're going to hit our share button, and we're going to open it up in the application, which is iFont. So we're going to copy to iFont, and this is a free font. It does have a premium if you want to purchase for $1.99 to get rid of ads, but it hasn't really bothered me. Okay, so now you just look for your font. So here it is right here. We're going to hit install, we're going to hit allow, and then we're going to hit close, and then we're going to go to our settings. And you will see under general, you have profiles, and then you can see this is the font up here that I have not installed yet. So you're going to hit install, and then you're going to type in your password and install. Hit install again, and then done. And now if you go through, you can see that our new font is installed. And it's that easy. And now you can just go to your favorite applications and use your new font. So here it is. So it's that easy. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions or anything, please just contact me or leave them in the comments. And I hope you guys have a great day.